Namaste. Today we will practice half fish pose, Padi Meenasana or Ardha Meenasana. This pose is recommended for people with insomnia issues, and this pose helps with extending the pelvic organs, effectively helping during the childbirth, activating pituitary and pineal glands, removing rheumatic arthritis at the back, and helps with deep sleep and relaxation throughout the body. Enjoy your practice. Lie down on your back with palms facing the mat. Legs extended forward, gentle breathing. Place the crown of the head on the mat, looking at the rear with the help of the elbows. Try to open the chest and shoulders. Gentle breathing. The next exhale, release both the palms and the elbows and place the head, back of the head on the mat, looking through the ceiling, toes apart, palms open, the side of the mat. If you like, you can extend both the legs at the outer edges of the mat. Gentle breathing. You can keep your eyes closed to relax in this pose before coming back up. I recommend this pose for at least 20 minutes. Once you form the half fish pose by holding the shoulders and chest with the help of the elbows. I hope you enjoyed this pose. Live well and in stillness.